Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you how to improve your concentration by following 10 simple tips. So let's get started. Tip number 1 is select your environment. It is very important to select the environment which is favorable to you. Your environment is most crucial decision you make when you have to focus. Remember, choosing environment which are calm, have the least distraction, proper lighting and a comfortable seat. Keep all the material around that it is needed like water bottles, snacks, etc. This will help you to keep any thoughts of hunger or thirst at your mind so you can focus better on your work. Tip number 2 is make a time plan. It is a must to have a plan in mind. You have to set a time target to achieve a certain task. This is what will help keep you on a task. And whatever time plan you make sure to follow it strictly. Also, it will lessen any distraction by increasing your arrive towards your goal. So, make a time plan and do follow strictly. Tip number 3 is never be negative. It is a crucial point. If you think your concentration power is bad, so it will be. Stop telling to yourself the negative and start focusing on positive. Learn from your failures. Positivity is a habit which needs to be inculcated in your behavior. So you have to never be negative. Focus only on positive. Thought positive, be positive. Tip number 4 is control your thoughts. Here is a trick. Try to cut irrelevant thoughts off in between by relevant thoughts. Don't always expect from others. Try to imbibe the habit of controlling your emotion. Always think relevant and positive thoughts. Tip number 5 is avoid multitasking. Although it is an age of multitasking and the ability of multitask is considered as a strength that you must possess. By multitasking, your concentration does not stay stable at one work and your both work get affected by doing multitasking. This is because multitasking doesn't let you focus on the more important work at your hand. So avoid multitasking. Tip number 6 is know if what you are doing is your interest area. Don't do the thing in which your interest level is very low. A lot of time we are doing something merely because it is expected from us to do it. We don't ask ourselves if what is what we are really want to do. If you think that is the case with you, you must be losing your focus every time you indulge in that task. In such a case, it is best to leave it and find what you love in doing. So love what you do and check your interest level. Tip number 7 is diet and exercise. Many wonders how what they eat or what their body does impact their concentration power, but lack of essential vitamins and nutrients are responsible for a weak body. Similarly, a lack of exercise is related to a slow metabolism, so proper diet and exercise is an important factor. Tip number 8 is teach yourself perseverance. Training begins when you instruct yourself to preserve with a task. Let's say a task is very mechanical and doesn't interest you a bit, but you have to do it at any cost. Try to focus on it. If you can preserve for, let's say, 10 minutes, you can preserve for 10 more and then 10 more minutes. So, teach yourself perseverance. Tip number 9 is try concentration music. For those who don't know, the genre exists. There is a music that is known to calm our brain waves and can put us in a mode which is better at concentration level. Alpha wave music, natural sound, soft jazz, and instrumental can help in improving concentration. Tip number 10 is unite your heart with mind. This means understand what you are at, have an interest in it, and keep a positive attitude towards it. If you are doing what you are at with all your heart, you can spend hours and hours engrossed in the job and you won't even realize when the day has set. So unite your heart with your mind. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.